Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox some items that I was able to purchase from the United States. And I did this by ordering them online. In a matter of 2 weeks, it arrived here in the Philippines. And I'm talking about this particular item. I ordered two two jackets from members only. Members only was established in 1975, and this year is their 50th anniversary. Through some research, I was able to find out about this particular brand. And during those times when I was a young lieutenant of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, I came across this brand, and it was very popular in the late 70s here in the Philippines. And I remember that I was able to buy one one jacket from members only. I don't know if it was a real one or a fake one. But now I ordered these two jackets from members only from their website online. And actually, my son-in-law, when I had my vacation in the United States, he showed to me that he ordered a members only, which is lined or padded, and it was on sale. And I really appreciate the beauty of the jacket, because I remember my younger days that one time I was wearing same members only jacket, which was colored black. Now I have chosen two colors. This is the wheat color and the burgundy color. So we're going to unbox or unwrap this jacket. By the way, I ordered size small after studying and making some research on the sizing data of this jacket. And most of my jackets, whether they are denim or and other kind of jacket, I usually order size small. So this is size small. This is the tag members only, and this is the 50th anniversary, 1975. I don't know if this is made in the United States, because the original one was made in the United States. See what is very distinct on this jacket. Actually, this is a racer jacket. This is the most popular model that they have since 1975. Actually, this is the iconic model of the members only. You have a strap on the neck, and it has a stop button, two stop buttons, and then it has a zipper all the way down. We're going to open it, and then there is a pocket on the left side of your breast, and below the opening you have the tag, which is members only. They don't have any logo except for the name of the brand, which is written on the left portion of the pocket. So you have all the way zipper, and then you have this epaulette. They call it epaulette. I'm not sure about it. And it has a snap button. It looks like a military style, but this is a racer jacket. And you have the hem of the sleeve. You have rib hem, which is stretchable. And of course, the bottom part of the jacket has also a rib stretchable fabric or woven fabric which is stretchable. So there is a tag on the inside part of the jacket. It has a pocket on the on the left portion inside. This is directly on the left breast pocket of the jacket outside. It has a very thin lining all the way through the sleeves. So this is made in India. The color is wheat, and this is original since 1975, says. So you can visit their website at membersonly.com. Of course, inside you have also the tag members only, and then you have, it says the composition of the jacket, what fabrics is made of. The exterior is 65% polyester and 35% cotton. This is made in India, but their main office is in New York. Okay. It does not say that this is the. It is not water repellent. It could be machine wash, cold gentle cycle. It has. You don't have to bleach this because it will have a color transfer if you bleach this. I think the the workmanship or craftsmanship is okay. It's nice. It They maintain the original. You have a strap here, so on the neck, and you have a web web fabric also on the neck, and of course you have this locker loop at the nape portion of the jacket. So this is a nice jacket for tropical countries like the Philippines. So you can use this while you're riding in a bus, aircon bus, while you're watching a movie inside a movie house wherein it is very, very, very cold, or maybe when you are walking inside the shopping mall and having coffee inside the Starbucks or in other cafes here in the Philippines and in the provinces, you can use this. Actually, if you are riding in your personal vehicle which has an aircon, you can use this members only because the fabric is very light and very thin. So it's nice. This is the wheat color. We'll go later on the fitting video, and I'm going to open the second jacket, which is the burgundy color. And I remember this is less than, I think this is only $90 and plus tax. And then I spent some, shipping through my forwarder, which is the Johnny Air Cargo Plus. And after 9 days, I received here in the Philippines. So the color is nice. It's dark. It's burgundy, dark maroon, or dark red, whichever you prefer. The fabric, woven fabric, is stretchable on the hem of the sleeves. And of course, you have a zipper which says members only. We'll remove the snap button on the collar and then unzip it, and just the same, you have a burgundy lining which is very, very light, very thin, and just the same, it has a pocket on the inside. On the left side, this is directly in front of the pocket outside. And of course, I did not mention that it has also side pockets with a nice web, webbing or weaving on the outside portion. So it's nice. It's a warmer, hand warmer pocket. Both sides, you have the left and of course the right. So the back, it's a raglan type of sleeve. You don't have any stitches on the back, and the stitch on the sleeve is slanting, a raglan style. And of course, on the back portion hem, you have a nice stretchable fabric. So we'll go now on the fitting video, and we will see how it fits to my body with this kind of jacket, which is considered as a light jacket from members only. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.